Hey guys, this is Sushant. I'm your LumaFusion coach from Switch to Y. This channel is about art design, mobile filmmaking, and iOS tips and trick. If you're new to my channel, then you can become the member of Switch to Y family by pressing the bell notification so you never miss any update. So let's start with today's topic. Today's topic is about how to create zoom out loop transition inside LumaFusion, and it's going to be lots of fun. So without taking so much time, let's jump to the tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back again. This is Sushant from Switch to Y. Let's start with today's tutorial called how to create zoom out loop transition inside LumaFusion. So for that, first I will play the demo project that I have created. Wow, very fast, and it is called zoom out loop transition, and it's look wonderful. You can do so many things. You can create slideshow, you can create your own typography project, many more. So let's learn how to create this. For that you will need a 4K clip. Here I have a 4K clip, and the transition will be of 0.14 frame. Okay, and we have to make a one cut over here, and we have to delete the demo clip. Now go to edit. In the frame parameters, we are going to create the keyframe using the keyframing option, and we are going to change the size and position parameters, overall the size of this particular clip. Okay, first we are going to mark all the essential keyframing. There will be almost 14 keyframes. We are going to create it like this. We have to mark all the keyframe. Then we are going to edit each keyframe with the different values. Okay, so here we have created all the essential keyframe to create the zoom out loop transition. And let's begin with the 0.0 keyframe, and we have to change in size parameter, and we have to turn on this numerical pad. It will be easy for us to add the value directly. So let's start with 0 keyframe. The value will be 154.7, and you have to tap enter. Let's move to first keyframe 0.01. It will be 137.5, and tap enter. And move to 0.02 keyframe. It will be 123.3, and tap enter. 0.03 keyframe, that means 0.3 keyframe. Tap on this X button and add value 115 and enter. Okay, and move to 0.4 value. It will be 110.1. hit enter. Fifth keyframe will be 106.8. Sorry, 6.8. Enter. Move to 0.6 keyframe. Tap on X, and it will be 104.6. Enter. 0.7 will be 102.5. 8 keyframe 101.8. Perfect. And the 9th keyframe will be 101.2. Okay, 10 keyframe will be 101, enter. Let's move to 11 keyframe. 11 keyframe will be of 0.7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like this. 12 keyframe will be of 0.3, and the last keyframe will be of 100. We are going to leave as it is. Okay, now go back. We are going to play the transition. Okay, wonderful. Now we are going to create the transition that is looped zoom out transition like this. Okay, now we are going to create the transition. Over here I have a clip, that is, and just I'm going to move forward and going to play it. Okay, so like this you can create a zoom out transition. And now we are going to copy this, and we have to play this clip first, and we have to listen to the claps. According to that we have to make all the cuts. I have already made the cuts of 0.12 frames. Okay, and then you have to multi-select like this and tab. It will be if you're doing for the first time it will be white, then you have to tab until it gets blue and paste it. Okay, like this you can create the zoom out loop transition. Okay, like this you can also create your own typography project, including photos and videos. You can use anything you want. Okay, I hope you love this project. Then give a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.